Hi and welcome to this video on how to save money on your grocery bill. Saving money on groceries is something that almost everyone can benefit from, whether you're a student trying to stretch your budget or a family trying to save for a big purchase. In this video, we'll go over some simple tips and strategies that you can use to cut down on your grocery spending without sacrificing the quality of the food you buy. First, let's start with the basics. Make a list and stick to it. It's easy to get distracted by shiny packaging and impulse buys when you're at the store, but if you have a list of what you need, you'll be less likely to stray and end up spending more than you planned. Another tip is to plan your meals in advance. By thinking about what you'll be eating for the week and making a corresponding shopping list, you can buy in bulk and take advantage of sales and discounts. This will also help you avoid last-minute takeout or delivery, which can be expensive. Next, don't be afraid to shop around. Different stores often have different prices on the same products, so it pays to do a little research and see where you can get the best deal. You can also consider switching to store brand or generic products, which are often just as good as their name brand counterparts but at a lower price. Another way to save money is to buy in-season produce. Not only is it typically fresher and tastier, but it's also often cheaper because it's more widely available. You can also consider joining a community-supported agriculture program or buying a share in a local farm, which can provide you with a steady supply of fresh, locally grown produce at a discounted price. Another strategy is to use coupons and loyalty programs to your advantage. Many stores offer discounts and special deals for customers who have a loyalty card or use coupons, so it pays to take advantage of these offers when you can. Just be sure to read the fine print and make sure the deal is really a good one before you buy. Finally, don't be afraid to negotiate. If you find a product that you like but think is overpriced, try haggling with the store or the manufacturer to see if you can get a better deal. You might be surprised at how willing they are to work with you, especially if you're a regular customer. So there you have it, some simple tips on how to save money on your grocery bill. I hope you found these suggestions helpful and that you're able to put them into practice the next time you go shopping. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out more of our videos for more great tips and advice.